Hey there, it's Jessica. Today, I'll show you how to enable comments on your Instagram stories. If you're looking to connect more with your friends and followers, this is the perfect way to get the conversation flowing. So let's start. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and hit update if there's one available. Once you're all set, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap those three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now, find the Comments section and tap on it. This is where you can control who can comment on your stories. You'll see three options. Everyone. This lets anyone on Instagram comment on your stories. People you follow. Only the accounts you follow can leave comments. Off disables comments completely. Pick the option that works best for you. I'll go with people you follow so only my friends can comment on my stories. And that's it. You've successfully enabled comments on your Instagram stories. If you just updated the app and don't see this feature, don't worry. It might take a day or two to roll out to your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.